Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you how I make my wig wearable. I don't really wear a lot of wigs, but because they're uncomfortable for me. But when I got this one was really comfortable. It had a lace in it on the inside. Oh, the wig cap looked like a lace. I don't know what it is. I'm not a I'm not a wig wearer. I like the curls. It felt very natural. It was soft. And here I'm just showing you how I pick out my the hair, the center to make a part. I just don't cut it. I pick it out with the tweezer. That's how I do it. That's how I know how to do it. So the hairline looks natural and it's not so machine like. So what you do is when you get your hair, you get the part where you want it to be, and then you start to twist. So you just pick it out a couple of hair strands at a time. Here I'm just showing you how I did mine, and all you have to do is hold on tight and pick out from the sides and see how you want it to be. See how that center is the part is kind of like not straight. So I'm just gonna go in there and keep picking until I'm satisfied. This may take you a couple of minutes, and if you're fast enough, it might not take you too long. But if you want to be very particular, you can just take your time. So that's what I'm just doing here, just picking out the hair at the center to create my part. So as you can see, as I'm doing that, I'm trying to get the excess air out, so it's not it's not too frizzy up there. So yeah, so I keep going on till I get to the point where I'm satisfied. Sometimes I'll use the tweezers to part the hair and then pick out the ones that I see that are extra. So that's how you do it. Yeah, so I've picked it and I'm satisfied with the part. And here I am about to wash it out because I didn't like the plasticky smell. Those of us that wear wigs would know what I'm saying. So I got my shampoo and my conditioner out and a comb, and just to wash it. The water was warm. I first soaked it in water. Mind you, this wig was $20, so I didn't care if it was gonna go back if I put it in water. So this is a risk you'd be willing to take if you want to. So what I have here is my shampoo and then my conditioner. I'm gonna put my conditioner in it as well, mix both of it together, and use it to wash the wig. I didn't want to wash it separately because I felt like the shampoo might dry out the hair, so I just put both together and I mixed it. Yeah, so that kind of looks weird, but the conditioner is very thick. I like that conditioner and shampoo, that brand, so it works for my hair, and I used it for my wig and it came out good. So you can see that I'm just going in a little bit, not so hard, and washing the wig and using my fingers to comb through. That was how I did it. So I just straightened it and squeezed it and try to get away as much of it as possible. So yeah, keep watching. had happened after I'd washed the hair with the conditioner and the shampoo mixture. I felt like I needed to put extra conditioner in it instead of just rinsing it out. So because I didn't want to use any sort of like oil or hair cream on the hair, since it was already synthetic, and I didn't like the shiny how it usually is, like super shiny. So I just added more conditioner to the hair, and I'm just rinsing it out with warm water. So what I done was to brush it out and just let it drip and air dry overnight, and I put it on the next day. Thank you everyone. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.